Wondering which matcha to pick? There are two main types, ceremonial and culinary grade. Ceremonial grade is top-quality tea made from young leaves, perfect for sipping on its own. It has a bright green color, a smooth texture, and a naturally sweet, delicate flavor. This is the style you'll see in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies. On the other hand, culinary grade matcha is made from older leaves with a darker green color. It has a stronger, more bitter taste. It's great for smoothies, lattes, baking, and recipes. Where bold flavors shine, it's also usually easier on the wallet. If you're just starting out and plan to make lattes or smoothies, culinary grade is a smart choice. But if you want to experience pure matcha tea with just water, ceremonial grade gives you that flavor. Remember, both types have antioxidants and health benefits for you. To get the best experience, look for matcha that's bright green, fresh-smelling, finely ground, and stored airtight. Avoid cheap powders that are bitter or stale. Many matcha lovers keep both grades for different uses. Ceremonial for traditional tea, culinary for everyday drinks and cooking in your kitchen routine. So next time you shop, think about how you'll use your matcha and pick accordingly. Please like and subscribe to greenteaandmatcha.com. Thanks for watching!